So, for those of you that don't know, I have two YouTube channels, and the first one that I made, I started it around 2017, but I was not serious. I didn't even know what I wanted to do. I just opened and started doing it. I didn't even have an idea of how to do a lot of things that I know how to do now. But it's been an off and on journey, and I've made this amount of money over time. I did not make it from 2017 because before you can start making money through Google AdSense, there's some requirements that YouTube need, and if you don't meet those requirements, you cannot join the YouTube partnership program where you can earn money through Google AdSense. Now, in another video, I mentioned that YouTube is one of the side hustles that people do to earn more money. But in this video, I'll be sharing some of the things that you need to know before you even start a YouTube channel and how you can build your YouTube channel to be able to earn money. So if you are interested in what I have to say, please watch to the end.
Everybody know I'm a visual. Yeah, I kill it cold like a criminal. I'm everybody's type, but nobody can deny. Cause you know I get it, I'm getting freaky, yeah, I'ma bring the crazy. Get that freaky on, get that freaky on, freaky, get it right.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Omomi aka Petite Diva, and I am a University of Nottingham alumni and also Developing Solutions Scholarship Award winner. In this educational series, I talk about the UK admission process, I talk about the UK visa application process, I talk about tips and tricks on how to enjoy your stay in the UK as an international student, and I also talk about tips and tricks on how to earn more money as an international student. So if you like videos such as this, please consider subscribing by clicking on the red button that says subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell notification icon by the side so that you'll be notified anytime I upload videos. Now before we get into this video, I just want to let you guys know that I offer UK educational services such as SOP writing, academic CV writing, and also the UK admission package. So in the UK admission package, I would write the SOP. I would also draft and write your academic CV to boost your chances of getting an admission, and I also help you throughout the process of applying and also advise you on the courses and schools to apply to increase your chances of getting an admission. So if you want any of my services that are not free but are very affordable, please check the description box for my email address and send me an email. You could also join the Telegram group, then send me a message directly. So if you want any of my services, like I said, check the description box. Now, YouTube is one of the ways international students and even new immigrants in the UK can earn extra money. But it's not as easy as just opening a YouTube account. Actually, opening a YouTube account is actually the most easiest thing in running a YouTube channel. It is very easy to open. Just get your Gmail address, have a Gmail address, and then use it to open the account, register on YouTube, and then you're good to go. But after that step, it's a whole lot of strategic planning and a whole lot of learning on the go, especially if you don't have a lot of the skills that are required to run a YouTube channel. One of the things I would advise is having a focus. Like I said, when I started my first channel, even this channel, I do not have a focus. This channel was opened because I actually got demonetized on my other channel, and even when I created this channel, I was still a bit confused about this channel. I wanted to do something that was not what I was doing on the other channel, because sometimes when you do a lot of different things on your channel, it affects your growth. The other channel was related to hair and natural remedies. So me doing a lot of sit down on that channel was not going to do well. So I decided to open this channel after I got demonetized on that one. But when I started, I wanted to do something that showed the other side of me. So I started with the reactions. I loved doing the reaction videos. But at the point it got that I was doing reaction videos to some music videos that were getting blocked. So after sitting down doing the reaction, editing, and I will upload and I will see blocked. It's very discouraging. So you spend time filming, editing, and upload with data, and then it's blocked. So even for a while I was just like, okay, I need to think about what I want to do on this channel, which was when I now started this educational series. And I like this series. So it's my focus. My focus now is to help at least 100 people in my community to acquire a UK educational experience in 2023. Starting from September 2022 to September 2023 and even January 2024. That is my focus for this series. So it's not more about views or money for me. It's more about creating impact. Now that is my focus, and that is what has kept me going even though I don't get a lot of views. Now for YouTube, opening a YouTube channel, you need to have a focus beyond money, because YouTube will try you. That I can say in the past 5 years, YouTube will try you. So if you don't have a focus for your channel and a focus beyond money, you might stop on the way. I've done a lot of stopping on the way on my other channel and this channel. Another thing is you have to be consistent. You have to be uploading at least once or twice a week. You cannot upload once a month and expect your channel to grow. Now, previously, before I started YouTube, people used to do once a month and they will grow. But now, YouTube thrives on consistency. Everybody that is a YouTuber will tell you have to be consistent. You have to upload at least once or twice a week to be consistent. So you have to be planning your videos ahead. You have to do a lot of things. If you notice, I do a lot of batch filming because I know that I cannot film every day. I know I cannot film every weekend because I'm working. So what I do is I film a set of videos on a particular day and then edit and upload throughout the weeks. So that is part of planning that is required in YouTube. Another thing is you need to have some equipment if you want to have a YouTube channel. If you want to thrive on YouTube, you don't need a big camera. What I'm using right now is my phone. The first camera I started with was a Canon, I can't remember, but a very small point and shoot camera. And that's what I used to earn more than, I think I earned almost like £2,000 on it. Sorry, I earned like $2,000 using that. I still use the camera. I bought the camera in 2013 and I bought it for my blog. Why I don't use it now is because most of the time I can't see myself because it doesn't have a monitor. So I can't see myself. Sometimes I would have finished recording and I would just see that it didn't focus. So I prefer to use my phone now because I can see myself and I know that when things are going out of place. So if you have a phone with a very clear camera, especially front facing, the back facing is always clearer than the front, but you need to see yourself sometimes to know that things are not going out of place. So I prefer to use the front facing camera. So I'm using my phone right now. It's a Huawei Y7. I don't know if it's still available. I'm sure it's Y9 that is available, but I'm not using iPhone. I'm using an Android. So you need a camera. You can use your phone. You need to have some phone editing apps or phone editing software. So you need to learn how to edit. I learned how to edit. My first editing software was Windows Movie Maker or something, and that is like the basics of the basic. Now I use Power Director app and I pay for it. I pay about $10 for every 3 months, and I like the Power Director app. Is very easy, and every time they're always updating to have different things. I especially love their transition. Every day there's something new and I like that. So you need an editing app or software. Director. CapCut is free, so you don't have to pay for that. CapCut is actually very good and very free. It's just remember at the end to remove that CapCut logo, because some people forget that. There's InShot, there's KineMaster, Big KineMaster. I know a lot of people use that KineMaster. Another thing you would need if you're using your phone is to have a large SD card. My SD card right now is 256 gigabytes because filming and editing takes a lot of space. I like to film, edit, make sure I've uploaded it for like some days before I even remove the raw footage. Then there I transfer the edited video to my extra hard drive. That's for my computer, because I like to keep those videos. Some people don't keep their videos after they've uploaded it on YouTube. Some days they just delete everything. So if you don't want to buy a big SD card, you can do that. But I like to keep those things so that I can just have like backup in case anything happens. You have to get comfortable with camera if you want to do a sit down. It took me a while to do sit down videos because it took me a while to get comfortable with seeing myself or showing myself to people. It took me quite a while, so it might take you quite a while. You don't have to do sit down, you might do voiceover, so you need to learn editing and voiceover. You might be filming other things. People do cooking channels. They don't show their faces, they just their hands, but you need to know how to film a cooking video. It's not just like as easy as filming a sit down. Filming cooking videos, you need to know the angle to set your camera, you need to know the angle, different angles to show the food, different angles to show the cooking process. So it's not as easy as a sit down video or a vlog. Now some people say, what can I do on YouTube? What can I show on YouTube as an international student? One of the things that I know people are always interested in is about the city. Most international students, when they want to go to a certain city, they want to find about the community, the student community, the community itself, about jobs, about places. Is it a fun place? Is it a boring place? Is it for only elderly? So you could do vlogs or videos showing your city when you're in the school, because most of the time they go on YouTube and check. They don't believe some of the things that are written in some website because everybody is trying to sell. So they want to see it through the eyes of an international student that is already there. So you could do that. You could also do cooking videos showing how you are cooking international food or your home country food in the UK. You could show where you get those items. Some people, when they are researching, so they are like, can I get this kind of thing? Can I get palm oil? Can I get yam? Where can I get it? So if you show them where to get it already and show them how you are adapting to cooking some of your home food in the UK, that's another content idea. You could do vlogs, living vlogs. I know some people do living as a married person in the UK. Some people do living as dependent of a student in the UK. There's so many ideas. The point is to know what to share and know what you like to share. One of the things that I would tell international students is that they should start their YouTube channel from their home country. Start getting comfortable with the whole YouTube process, because when you're in schoolwork will take some of your time, and technically you're not supposed to be doing YouTube full time. Yes, as an international student, even some places will tell you that according to the UK VI, you're not supposed to even do YouTube. People just do it to build their channel. By the time they have gotten the requirement for being monetized, they are probably at the end of their course. So that restriction is removed because they finished their course and they're also about to get their post-study work visa. Now, the requirement to earn on YouTube is that you must have 1,000 subscribers and you must have 4,000 watch hours within 12 months before you apply. So it's not that easy to build that 1,000 subscribers, and neither is it easy to build the 4,000 hours, which is why I say start from home, so that you're already building it. It's not going to be so new to you when you get to school, and when you get to the UK, you already have a strategic plan of how to upload once a week or twice a week, so that you would be able to plan your YouTube schedule and school, and it will not affect you. So that's why I would advise starting from home, starting from your home country. Another advice that we give if you're starting a YouTube channel is to try a lot of things, especially when you're in your home country. Try a lot of things and see which one works and which one people are interested in. But try a lot of things that you know is sustainable when you get there. Like if you are going to be doing market runs as part of your YouTube videos, you know that when you get to the UK, except you start going to different cities to be doing the market runs, you might not be able to do it. So you need to have something that you can also do in the UK. So if you're doing cooking videos in your home countries, you'll be able to do that in the UK. It's just that you just say, oh, this is what they have here. Let's see how it will work as a substitute to this that is in my home country. So you could even do experiments using the British alternatives to some of the things. People would be interested in knowing that how it tastes, how it looks if you use alternatives. So that's basically what YouTube is all about. The technical part of YouTube is not me. It's not me that can do that. You just have to look online. There are so many people that do tips and tricks on how to grow your YouTube channel. So many people that show you what to do in your YouTube channel. Me, I'm not that person. I'm just telling you things to guide you as an international student in the UK that wants a YouTube channel to get more money and also to gain some skills that could be transferable to other things that you do. So that's the end of this video. I hope you find it very useful. If you have any questions, please leave your questions in the comment section and I will answer it. If I cannot answer it immediately, I will make a video to answer it. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps me a lot. It encourages me a lot, and it also lets YouTube know that people like this video and they will share it to more people. If you are not yet subscribed and you like videos such as this, please consider subscribing by clicking on the red button that says subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell notification icon by the side so that you'll be notified anytime I upload videos. Now, with all that said, thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.